Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 6. We'll present about Collabin concept of operation. So this is our reference document. So the first one is scope. So in this Collabin, we use Scrum methodology. In developing Collabin, we embrace this Scrum methodology for its efficiency and adaptability. With a clear goal of enhancing team productivity, we utilize Scrum iterative approach to swiftly adapt to changing requirement while maintaining transparency. And our focus was on delivering significant results within a short time frame, implementing incremental improvement to improve efficiency and accountability throughout the development process. And for the document overview of Collabin, Collabin aimed to streamline event sponsorship by simplifying application, fostering relationship, and increasing transparency for both event organizer and sponsor. And for the system overview, in Indonesia, evolving digital landscape sponsorship practices face challenges due to limited networks and opaque information, and Collabin was created to bridge this gap, offering a seamless platform for event organizer and sponsor to connect. Our mission is to simplify sponsorship acquisition, foster collaboration, and promote industry growth. With Collabin, we empower event organizer with efficient and transparent tools to navigate the sponsorship landscape.
Okay, for the current system or situation, we found in two apps that similar. They are Sponsor My Event and Sponsor Pitch. Sponsor My Event, launched in 2011, streamlined the sponsorship process for event organizer by leveraging the technology to connect them with a compatible sponsor. An intelligent filtering system eliminates the hassle of sifting through the irrelevant option. For the main feature of Sponsor My Event, there are two pages that they show. There are sponsor view and event organizer view. For the sponsor view, the features such as event search filter, event list to display a list of events that match the user search criteria, and event details to display the complete information about the event. For the EOS view, the features are contact list to display the list of contacts stored in the app, search, and event history list. This menu display a list of all of events that have been created or managed by the EO, and also the event details. The next app is Sponsor Pitch, established in 2008 by Chris Mattis, tackles the inventions of the securing sponsorship, targeting marketing and sponsorship professional. It provides a comprehensive solution. Sponsor Pitch allows direct contact with the decision maker, bypassing the traditional hurdles and expediting the sponsorship process. For the main feature of Sponsor Pitch offers a helpful feature for the sponsor discovery, such as trending brands, save sponsor, brand insight, feature sponsor, recent deals, and also in the right picture, the feature are add sponsor, track deals, and more. So for the next feature is My CRM, is to manage all the contacts and companies in one place, and to add and manage for the easily add, view, and edit sponsor info, and also to import and export data transfer with the CRM option. And for the modes of operation, there are 4 modes. The first one is the data encryption mode. So all data stored in the apps and should be encrypted to protect the sensitive user and sponsor information. And the second is user activity tracking mode. The app can have features to track user activity such as login, data change, or access to sponsorship offer. The third is external access control mode. User can have the ability to set the external access level for their event profile. And the last is access authorization mode. The app should restrict user access to feature and data based on the predefined roles or permission. And for the user classes, there are event organizer, sponsor, agencies, and properties. For event organizer, is a user who are responsible for managing and organizing the event or activities. For sponsor, they are a company or organization that provide the funding or support for a specific event. And for agency, they are the marketing agency or representation who act on behalf of the sponsor or event organizer to facilitate the sponsorship process. And for the properties, they are the properties or facilities available for the sponsorship, such as event venues, website, or media.
So the next is justification or network changes. So justification of changes Collabin offers a mobile application with improved features compared to existing platforms, allowing EOs to submit proposals and sponsor to review them. It eliminates unnecessary features and focuses on streamlined communication through proposal. Okay, for the description of design changes, Collabin goes beyond existing platforms by offering a user-friendly mobile app with advanced search for sponsors and informative company profiles, all designed to streamline the sponsorship process. Next is priorities among changes. Collabin prioritize features that streamline sponsorship connections, which are personalized search helps EOS find ideal sponsors. Proposal submission simplifies communication. Review tools aid sponsor decisions, and approval notification keep EOS informed. Additionally, optional subscription offer potential features enhancement for both EOS and sponsor. Okay, so next is changes considered but not included. While considering a sponsor rating system to help EOS choose partners, Collabin ultimately decided against it due to potential ethical concern and damage it could cause to sponsor EO relationship. Instead, EOS can rely on informative company profiles and past event portfolios to make informed sponsor selection. Okay, so the next is constraint and assumptions. Collabin builds on 3 key assumptions, which are a growing demand for sponsorship as event rise, a streamlined platform attracting users with its centralized proposal process, and an interest from companies seeking brand exposure through event sponsorship.
So here's concept for the proposed systems. Even though the event industry in Indonesia is growing rapidly and sponsors play an important role, finding the right sponsor is difficult. Collabin is here as an innovative solution to bring together EOS and sponsors while also wanting to spur the growth of Indonesia's creative industry. Prospective sponsor must include their NPWP and SIUP when registering. Communication and negotiations between EO and sponsor can be done through other platforms such as WhatsApp and email. Without the involvement of Collabin, sponsor can be done through other platforms such as WhatsApp and email without the involvement of Collabin. Collabin facilitates approval of sponsorship proposal directly by sponsor with protection of user privacy. Sponsorship payments are made through the Collabin app using the Sendit platform, while users have full control over their data. The Collabin platform is new and requires funding to grow and increase awareness and adoption from EOS and sponsors. With the potential to become the leading sponsorship platform in Indonesia because there's nothing else like it, Collabin will carry out marketing, education, and seek investment from venture capital. The following is the event organizer user flowchart display. The following is the sponsor user flowchart display. Collabin is at risk of downtime or cyber attacks but has a cybersecurity team and data backup to mitigate. The Collabin platform may experience downtime or crashes and cyber attacks, resulting in financial loss and data theft. 24/7 cybersecurity team and redundant data backup system minimize the risk of downtime or crash and data loss. Collabin operates in a standard mode with all features functional, ensuring optimal performance. This facilitates seamless collaboration for tasks like event sponsorship management on the platform. Collabin offers various operational modes, including temporary mode for maintenance, testing mode for new features, and emergency modes for critical situations.
Okay, so for user classes, we have two primary user classes, event organizer and sponsorship. Each play crucial role in the collaborative process. Event organizer are tasked with creating event profiles, seeking sponsorship, and negotiate agreements with background in event planning and strong communication skill. They interact with the system through Collabin. On the other hand, sponsorship explore event profile, review proposal, and negotiate agreements. Their marketing expertise and financial acumen drive strategic decision, all managed with Collabin. So this is our use case. This is for use case 1, and this is for use case 2. And for interaction, I will explain it in this slide. So interaction among user classes. Event organizer engage with sponsor through Collabin to submit proposal, wait approval, and negotiate terms. And for sponsor, in turn, review proposal, notify decision, and finalize or negotiate agreements with the event organizer. Other involved personnel, there are payment provider, facilitate subscription processing, ensuring seamless transaction, and then government and entities oversee regulatory compliance, and while the police uphold safety measures during event.
The supporting environment of Collabin includes institution, office facilities, equipment, maintenance, supporting software, and storage and distribution.
Okay, so the next one is operational scenario. Here are the use case for register. User register by completing profile data and verifying in order to have an account and login. For the subscription, user can choose from the available packages so that they can access a wider range of features. For the payment, user makes payment for the subscription package that has been selected previously. For the personalized search, user searches for sponsors by selecting the criteria required by the event. For the proposal submissions, user submits an event proposal by sending the proposal to the sponsor and waits for the review result. For the proposal review, user receives the event proposal that has been submitted by EO and review it to make a decision. And the last one is for the notify proposal approval. User sends notification of the proposal review results to the EO. So that's all from our presentation. Thank you.